pumpkin.
Thank you! Hooray! Come on. Hello, Kitty.
Mommy, help me please. Itchy, itchy, look at this. I can't stop to scratch, scratch, itchy, itchy so much. When our skin feels bad, it always makes us feel sad. Little drop of magic cream. Look, it's gone beyond Leba's dream.
Bye! Happy birthday. Awesome. Hooray!
Green circle.
Awesome! What's going on? Chocolate. Wow! It looks delicious. Yes. Strawberry. I like it. Nice. There's something. Great. That's cool. Hooray! Eggplant. It looks good. Yeah! Go! Watermelon. It's so nice. Cool. What's in it? Ribbon. Wow, it's nice. Orange. Yummy, yummy. Here we go. Tomato. Bravo. Wow. There are many fruits here.